Today we're looking at this 58-piece tire repair kit. So this is for car tires, motorcycle, SUV, lawn equipment, anything that has a tire that potentially could get a flat and you need to basically put a plug in. So this is pretty unique because in past I've used the plugs that are like the rope that has gooey stuff, and you plug it in with the screw and you punch it through and you release it. Sometimes it's very difficult to get it on the first shot, especially if you don't do this often. And this one I think makes it easier, because let's check out why. So here's why it's going to be easier than other tire fixing kits. Because you have 3 steps. Locate and prepare the hole, meaning it gives you a little bit of grabbing pliers to pull whatever's making the hole. Most times for me, it's a screw from construction sites around the area. Step 2 is select the right nail. So you're going to match the size of the hole by the size of what made the hole. And insert the repair nail. Now you're going to screw in a repair nail. So this is where it changes the game. So basically you're going to have your extractor, whether it's a nail, a screw, or some sharp object. So it's really robust. It's going to grab it good, and you're going to pull it out. And then you're going to pick the right screw. So in here, let's pick one of these. So they're color coordinated for different sizes. So let's open one up. Now this is like a rubberized screw with some rubber compound within the threads. Then you have a basic Star or Phillips screw there, and they give you a bit with an attachment so that you could put into a screw gun to make life a little bit easier. Or if you're going to do it manually, they even give you a Phillips head screwdriver. So what you do, you put this in the hole and you screw it down all the way down, and it will seal the flat. And that's that. It also comes with a valve stem tool, so you can replace stems and some caps. Everything you need for emergency kit to get back on the road. Because one thing that's more frustrating is having your day come to an end or a big delay because of a flat tire, where you could repair yourself locally. My mechanics out here, they want you to make an appointment for a flat tire. You're going to have to wait. You're going to have to drive it or get it towed to get the tire repaired. You could fix probably 90% of your issues on the road with this kit and room to help others. You need this whether you have 1 car, 10 cars, lawn equipment, wheelbarrows, anything that could possibly get a flat with a rubber tire, you could repair yourself within minutes. So picking one of these up, even if you don't need it now, you may need it later. So think about the future and pick this up and thank me later.